few things we will do that within that what we have done. Small recap is there. Please just every day we are going through the recap so that we can remember everything, because remembering everything is the thing over here. Okay, otherwise at the time of talking we will not find the particular phrase or something like that. It can happen. So first of all, wishing, I hope that everyone is very much well accustomed with this thing, and also saying please, thank you, welcome. Also this kind of words, I hope so you all are using. Also, I hope so you all are using dear while you are calling your children, right? So, and one more important thing, what I gave you also advised that please use the word homemaker instead of housewife, because this makes our English more better, right? So this was the first class. Actually, this was the second class that while you are introducing, we should say I am, after that your name, and end your conversation with like this kind of phrase like it's nice meeting with you or glad to meet you. So because these kind of words are making our English very much soothing, right? Soothing means while we are hearing it, it's good to our ear, right? And a few more words here we will we have covered like awesome, extraordinary, this kind of things. Also, I advise that please use the small sentences instead of joining with and. It will make our sentence better. Also, we will not face much problem over here. So today, first in the first, we will just going to our topic is today expressing our likes, dislikes, and opinions. Means how we will just express ourselves that yes, this thing we are liking, this class we are liking, this class, that class we are not liking. This kind of things we are just going to see that we will go to see that how we can just tell. And here one thing I want to say you, because while we are speaking in English, we are very much feared about that. Yes, we have mistakes this word, we have mistaken that, we have done that. So what will happen? Trust me, no one is actually here to just catch that small mistake. While you are just talking very smoothly, it will be done. Means just I heard, I understand what you are going to tell me. Done, it's done. No one is going to catch you or something like that, or no one is going to tell you yes, this is wrong or something like that, because yes, we are saying those things though to our children because they are in a age of learning, so they should learn the proper thing. But trust me, while we are speaking, we are also sometimes mistaking many things. That time no one is just catching us. I think that no one is noticing those kind of things. So here how we will do, first we are going to see that so here asking, suppose I'm asking you all that what are you thinking about this English speaking course. Okay, so here what are you thinking about this kind of phrase we can use. Okay, to means to ask something which is a means greater thing, means a very big thing we are asking in very short, right? English speaking course is not like that. This is not like a 1 day course or 2 day course. It will be going on as far we know. So this kind of thing, what are you thinking about the weather, right? So this kind of bigger thing while we are just talking, we can frame very simple sentences with this. Okay. Afterwards, here here we can see that many more lines have been written. So suppose we find very much similarity with some other person, right? Very much similarity means, suppose I can say that we all are Bengali, so I hope that we all have learned, means we all have read at least few of our greatest poets, Rabindranath Tagore, some literary work. So suppose while we are talking, we found out that, okay, so here what we will say, yeah, we all have a lot of things in common, or we have a lot in common, or this kind of phrases we can just say. Suppose our dressing sense is same, our thinking pattern is same. So for various purpose, while we are going to find the similarity, we can just say those things. Okay. And liking and disliking, it's very common. Yeah, I like it, like this kind of things we can say. Or but if we don't like it, we can say like that, yeah, I don't like it, I'm thinking it will not go with it. This kind of phrase we can just frame with in this scenario. Now suppose I'm asking for you some opinion. Opinion means what? Opinion means here we can say like that, suppose some problems happened, I am just talking that, yes, what to do. So I gave you some suggestions. You answer me, I agree with you completely. So instead of saying yes, if we are going to say like that, I agree with you completely. This means what? আমি আপনার সাথে রাজি হলাম, বা আপনি আপনার সাথে একমত. So this kind of phrase, this kind of thinking, we are generally speaking in Bengali also, right? So while we are just going to convert it in English, these are very commonly used phrases. Okay. So here, next line, you can see that, what are you up for this night? Now here the main word we are going to learn, that is up. Up means upor, we all know. But here up is not used here in that particular sense. What are you up for this night means why you are awake, or why you are not sleeping. This kind of thinking, while we are just converting in a more simpler language, while we can't recall the phrase at exactly awake or exactly wake up. So this time we can just say that, what are you up for this night, or what are you up for it. Like this we can just say. Now suppose you are giving me some opinion and I am completely disagreeing with you. Here also we can say, I don't like it much, or I doesn't agree with you completely. Here also those things we can say like that, I can't stand by with your thought, or I can't stand by your thought. Means I am not liking what you are saying. What you are saying, that is what I am thinking to the opposite. This kind of thing we can say like, I can't stand by your thoughts, right? Next is here, you can just see that next is here, finally I got the chance. Finally I got the chance means, suppose you are telling to me that ma'am, many days ago we thought that yes, we can just at least speak few English in our home, so that our child will learn better, they can speak better. But we didn't get any chance. Finally I got the chance, and we likes it very much, right? So here you all can see that here I have already used many sentences, means many phrases from here I have used, and I have just expressing my thought, right? So like this way, while you are just learning anything, try to implement it in your daily thoughts, daily verbs. Now here I told you already, I hope you all can remember that please turn on the subtitle while you are watching any movie. Means some Hindi movies also giving nowadays subtitles in Disney Hotstar or somewhere like this. Some YouTube videos, most of the YouTube videos who are the greatest creators, they are also giving the subtitles. So turn it on, you can learn many things. And why where you will implement, we all are learning, we have to implement it. Okay, so here I am just giving you one options, that is you are going to implement it or not, that is totally up to you, but you will try it. Okay, it will just make your English more better. We will improve it every day. We will learn it every day, and we are practicing it every day. Where you all are having WhatsApp, so put a WhatsApp status in a good morning, write it by on your own hand, not from copying here from here and just put it on my status. No, not like that. Write the entire message, post it. Okay, or suppose while we are wishing someone in the time of Durga Puja, Diwali, Eid, or somewhere Christmas, just I hope that I have covered all the religious, most biggest religious festivals. So here we will just, while we are wishing someone, just try to just write the message by your own hand, and below that try use your title, that from me and my family, or from Malik. And suppose I'm seeing the here first name is showing me Imrayud Malik, so from means Malik family. But like this way you can just improvise, you can just implement your English. You don't have to just frame this while we are wishing someone, we don't have to frame many what can I say, many hard Englishes or many big sentences. 2 3 lines we all can write by ourselves and we all can post, right? So here mostly we will learn those things. So I am going to the next question. This is to all of you, that you have to make a conversation with me about the English speaking course, means how you are feeling about it, how it is beneficial to you, etc. Means extra thoughts also you can implement, but you have to make that conversation happen, because every day I'm seeing that participants are getting lower while I am just forcing you to talk. But trust me, if you are not going to talk, you will not learn. Okay, so this is the question, and these are the phrases already I have shown you. If you want to write it, what phrases you will use, please write it. And the question also, please try to just speak it with me. I'm just giving you a good 5 minutes. Just prepare yourself, and afterwards we will talk. So please write it very fast. So next question also we will go, and we will see that how we can just implement those words.
Professor. I'm sorry, I don't have my homework today.
You usually turn in your homework in time. What happened this time?
Hello.
Yes.
Last week you told that you would share this, but I didn't any kind of I didn't receive any kind of link, ma'am.
That link, yes, I have shared in the YouTube videos. In the below of the videos, there was a link that was not working.
I did not receive any kind of YouTube videos notification.
Okay, that is actually you first. You are having the school YouTube channel subscribe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have just posted it on Monday. Previous this week I was actually a little busy. That's why I couldn't did it within Saturday. So please just go once and check it. Today's video I will post afterwards. Previous week, little means work was there back at my home, so I couldn't post it. Or within Sunday, I posted it on Monday evening, I guess so. And I also put the link below that from where. Okay, this video, so below this video also I will put those links. Means where from where you will find out one book and this PowerPoint presentation also. So see it, and I hope that today's video you all will get. In which standard your child is reading, ma'am? Standard one. Okay, standard one's chat section I can't see. So yes, actually, Mrs. Chakraborty, your voice is cracking. Means one word is coming to me and one word is not coming to me. I hope that this is a network's problem. Yes.
My son, yes, ma'am. My son is reading Montessori 1.
Okay. Montessori 1. Then you here you just Montessori 1 chat section. I am having access, so I will put the link over there also.
Thank you.
Okay, so we are just here. I hope that you all have just written whatever is necessary. So next is this question. You have to make a conversation with me about the English speaking course. Means how you are feeling mostly. Is it beneficial? Beneficial means upokari kinba noy. Whatever is your views, I want to listen actually, right? So I hope this question you all understood. I'm just stopping this share because I will just ask the questions. Is there anyone who is prepared? Is there anyone who is prepared? Otherwise, I will just go by the names. You all can raise the hand, and otherwise, I will go by the names over here.
Ma'am, please tell one more time this question.
You have to tell your views about this English speaking course. And is it beneficial to you or not? That means this course is what can I say, beneficial exact Bengal. If we are just going to use it English to Bengali, it is beneficial means upokari. So you have to tell your views, means what you are thinking. Views means what you are thinking about it. That thing only you have to just tell.
ম্যাম
Yes.
বলছি ম্যাম স্ক্রিনে যে কোশ্চেন গুলো দিলেন ওইগুলো কি করতে হবে ম্যাম? আমি কিছু বুঝতে পারছি না, এই প্রথম ক্লাসে জয়েন করেছি তো।
Actually, ma'am, these questions, actually not all the things are not the questions. There are here are few words are there, what you have to, which you have to use in your conversation. Conversation means you will talk with me, right? Try to understand it because this is, we are instructed like that. We have to speak in only in English. Bengali we can't use. So I am trying. If I am thinking that this is Amina Khatun's parents, I think so. So if possible, there are the
Yes,
YouTube
ma'am.
previous previous 2 videos YouTube in the YouTube school's YouTube channel I have already posted. Just watch it, try it. Means you have to introduce yourself with these words, and how you will do. All the videos are there. Once you just check, try to learn, and afterwards this video will be posted. Today, since this is the first day, I'm not forcing you too much, but from the next day onwards you have to just speak. Yes, Mrs. Adhikari. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hope everyone in this meeting are safe and healthy after the recent cyclonic disaster. And today's discussion is this English speaking course. What
About
we
the
think
English
about
way, yes.
course. And I think it's definitely very much beneficial to us because in our students' life, we all know some English.
Yes,
But,
basic things we have learned.
Yes, but we become conscious about the grammatical mistakes while we speak. That if it is right or wrong, or should I say or not, other people will laugh. This kind of consciousness makes us hesitate to talk in English. But your advices are very much beneficial, and it is quite smart English.
Yes,
And,
actually speaking English is not about if you are going, all of you, if you are just a very big fan of Hollywood movies, means which is Jurassic Park, like these Avengers. If you are going to see those movies English are very, very, very basic English. Why they are making the English is very basic? Because they are having the audience from 3 years to 80 years, right? So they have to make their what they're thinking. They have to make those things working to us also. Yes, so that we all can understand, right? I am understanding. I am in such a age. But suppose one 6-year-old, my sister's son is seeing the same movie. He has to understand at least few things. So that this kind of things, English speaking is not about the grammar. It's about to speak only. So for speaking, sometimes you all will see that express your thought, like the way I am seeing that many childs are speaking in English, just putting the words one after another, right? Yes, they're trying, their children, they will learn how to just frame those things. So I am telling you, just try it. You will all will learn. And why you will learn? Now, one common thing I am just going to tell you. You all are, wherever you are going to just suppose banking work or electricity, this kind of problems we are solving, right? If any problems is there or something like that, trust me, we are not going to showcase our English speaking skill. But these things is necessary for us, because from us our children will learn. How we will just mold them, they will be grown up like that. They will be means I'm just want to say that previously you all have seen that only boys are working. Nowadays the concept is totally changed, everyone is working. So while they are going to just entered into that their working phase, so that they will never face any kind of difficulty, to give them the confidence, to boost their confidence, we should learn. While they will see that yes, they are seeing that yes, আমার মা তো ইংলিশে কথা বলে, then I have to learn that skill from my mother. So he or she will also definitely try to speak in English. And trust me, if your English is 50% okay, they will make it 100%. Okay. So anyone else? Thank you very much. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Is there anyone else? Mrs. Roy, you can you tell few lines about this course? Parents of Arpita Roy, I guess so. Yes, ma'am. I'm just telling to you.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yes, speaking English course is very useful to us because English nowadays English are very very
One of
useful
our
because
yes, not
every
useful.
work,
We
every
yes.
work, every office, school, bank, everywhere English is very
Yes, here I want to share some views.
and we
Views like the
also
banks.
our child I also
Will learn
want
from
my
us.
child
Yes,
learn English yes and
to boost their
and
confidence.
also
And yes,
yes and also I know yes I want to be a English
see here everyone knows. At least everyone is. I am just taking the basic things that everyone is just passed madhyamik or equivalent some examination. That we all have this basic. I am not going to the highest degrees. So for their one paper is English, but unfortunately in our West Bengal board, English is one of the important communicational language, not communicational only, official language in our what can I say, in our India. But unfortunately our governmental school or some colleges are not giving that much stress to the English, right? So while you are speaking, you will gain the confidence. Our children will definitely learn, because they are actually first. We are means being a parents. We are their first role model. They are seeing and they are growing up. So while we are talking in those words, they are just after a certain age. They all will learn to how to speak. Okay. We just means I am just. From your introduction, I am seeing that most of you are homemaker. So you don't have to means you all are not going to work somewhere or something like that. But while you are speaking in English, that thing will just motivate your children too much to learn. And our first job is we will motivate our child. Never, I'm just suggesting that as a parent, this is a parenting class also, you all know, that never said any kind of negative words to your children, like দেখ ও তো প্রচুর পেয়ে গেছে তুই পাসনি. No, not like that. If he is getting 50, just motivate them oppositely. How? Just tell them, you got 50, but I thought you must have get 60 in the next exam. So this kind of thinking skills and we should implement, so that our children will grow in a more positive environment. Yes, Mrs. Das. this meeting will end in 6 minutes. So afterwards, you all will just join in the same link.
Good
Hello, ma'am.
afternoon.
Ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Yes, yes, good afternoon. Yes,
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, I can listen
I am
to you.
Priyanka Dash, the mother. Yes, ma'am. I am Priyanka Dash, the mother of Arunakshi Dash, who studies in Montessori 1. So I think today's topic is how much it's beneficial for us, the English speaking course. I think this English speaking course really helpful for me, and I have learning so many things from it. And I'm trying to say that at home, and I hope it will beneficial also for my child.
Yes, only we are wanting that only, a very positive, a very means see, childrens are only nowadays, childrens are always means the entire time they are just staying back at their home, right? They are not going somewhere, they are not coming to us,
Also,
right? They
ma'am,
can't see. Yes,
and
tell
also,
me
ma'am,
please.
it's only possible only for you. Thank you so
Not
much.
me, when schools
Nice to meet
tell.
you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes,
I
so is
hope day after day I will learn many more things from you.
yes, thank you very much. So, is there anyone else?
Thanks to
So
you,
this,
ma'am.
yes, always welcome for any kind of help. As a person, personally, I'm very much helpful to all the students. Means who are, but already know means some of the parents I know that they are just means from my class, my section or something like that. I am taking few classes. Always I interact with
Hello,
them.
ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. But can you please help me? Actually, I was not present in the previous class. So, how will I get the YouTube section, your
Okay.
videos?
Okay. Just I am just this this meeting will be end in the 3 minutes. So I am ending it now, and I will just
Okay,
again start it. Okay. So first
okay,
I will show you that where we all will get means the channel name and subscribe to it. All those things you will learn means it can happen that some days you are not well or you are having other responsibilities back at your home, back at somewhere you are taking care. So if you miss day after tomorrow, sometimes it is happening to me because trust